Hey everyone, welcome to today's video where we're going to tackle a common problem that many developers face when working with Java durations. The problem at hand is when trying to parse a duration string like P10YT10M using the Duration.parse method, you might encounter an error stating text cannot be parsed to a duration. This can be quite frustrating, especially if you're working with varying time formats. Now, let's delve into the solution for this issue. The Duration.parse method in Java is specifically designed to handle text strings in the format of P10YT10M. This means it can only process durations in terms of days, hours, minutes, and seconds. Strings like P10YT10M do not fit this criteria, hence the parsing error. Years and months are not considered fixed lengths of time in the context of duration, which is why parsing such formats directly isn't supported. To address this issue, you can utilize the Period.parse method for non-time-based ISO durations. However, for more complex formats like P10YT10M, you would need to manually parse and handle the components separately. By splitting the input into days and bigger, and hours and smaller, parsing them as period and duration respectively, and then combining the results, you can achieve the desired outcome. It's important to define your requirements clearly before implementing this solution to ensure it aligns with your specific use case. In summary, parsing complex duration strings like P10YT10M in Java can be challenging due to the limitations of the Duration.parse method. By understanding the restrictions of the duration class and implementing a custom solution to handle non-standard formats, you can successfully work with a wider range of time representations. I hope this explanation helps you overcome this obstacle in your Java projects. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any other coding conundrums you'd like us to unravel. Stay curious and keep coding.